dun, dun. Okay, Kristen, let's play a quick little game. It's gonna be a little challenge. I'm definitely not trying to get you to do this for me, but tonight we are planning a dinner party on a budget.
Yeah.
And you have $50. $50 to cook a meal for 4 friends.
Oh,
okay. Here, you have a phone.
Yep.
And we have a grocery app pulled up for you. What exactly are you ordering? On your mark, get set, go.
Guys, this is too easy. So if this phone keeps up with like the Wi-Fi and everything,
wow.
we are,
I'm so excited to see what is on this list. And then I'm taking a screenshot for my personal
you might
records
not
later.
want. You might not want to.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit! I just spent $85. How do I go back and take some out? I can totally take stuff out.
All right. 5, 4.
Yep.
3.
Oh my God.
2, 1.
Okay.
Ooh.
I know we're here to talk about finances and all the things, dollars, but I definitely overspent. But can I just take like 10 seconds?
Yeah, take the 10 seconds to remove the things out of your cart, and then we're gonna see what we're eating.
It's gonna be delicious.
It's gonna be, that's amazing.
Okay, how about to make up for the laggy phone, I get to spend $55.93.
That feels close to me.
Close enough.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah, we'll
like
do
if
it.
we were in Michigan, this basket would be
like $20.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I feel like since we're in LA, 55.
Yeah, I was gonna say $50 in LA. I didn't even know how you.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Genius first move.
What is it?
Wait, Brian, take a guess at what the first thing in this cart is.
Chicken tenders.
A rotisserie chicken.
Oh.
Oh yeah, and we're ordering from Costco.
Best place to shop.
Why wouldn't you? The rotisserie chickens are so good.
You get a steal on them too.
Yeah.
$6.21. And I bet that's like a little bit of a surcharge for ordering online. So it's like $5.
Yeah. It is a loss leader. That meaning Costco loses money every single time someone buys a rotisserie chicken. But that's why they put them all the way in the back of the store, because you walk by all of the stuff that they do make money on as you're walking through.
So what are the things that we shouldn't be buying at Costco that they are making their money? Like us buying 18,000 rolls of toilet paper?
No, because the toilet paper is also in the back. Think about how the store's laid out. The stuff that they put right at the front and they want you to get.
TVs.
Yes.
Oh.
So Kristen put a rotisserie chicken. We got coconut shrimp with sweet chili dipping sauce. I will say that was a large portion of the budget. That was almost $19.
How many pounds do we get there?
2 pounds.
Oh,
that's a lot of shrimp.
For 4 people?
That's a lot of shrimp.
Yeah.
Have you had these, Brian? The Meiji Choco Rooms. So they're like mushrooms, but it's really just like essentially like a small chocolate bit, and then the bottom is like a little pretzel piece. It's like a little breadstick.
I've never seen them or had them.
I literally had them 2 days ago.
Why I put them in.
They are so good.
Excellent.
Unbelievable texture to sweetness ratio. And our dessert for tonight is a 90 count of Welch's fruit snacks, each one being a kiddie size bag.
Oh.
I can live with this.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, is the cooking portion in which I would cook would be a hefty charge. So we take that part out. I don't actually have to cook.
Right.
So now we can all afford this dinner party.
Right. Okay. Cool.
Don't even have to pick up a knife. We heat and serve.
I like this.
Yeah.
I feel like I could subsist consistently off of these 4 items.
I also think in our first 8 minutes together, I have confirmed that I don't cook.
Yep.
At all. People are probably like, what's happening there? Yeah.
Is this kind of like a case of like the cobbler's kids go shoeless though? You spend so much of your day and your time cooking and, working in the dining industry. You get home and you're like, bowl of cereal tonight.
I will cook for myself if I've ordered takeout too much. And then I start to feel bad.
When you cook for yourself, do you even measure? Or are you just like a little bit of this, a little bit of that?
No, you don't measure. There's no point. It takes 3 times as long.
Okay.
Once you start breaking out, like measuring spoons, and then once you start doing that, like the rhythm and the flow of cooking and why I like to cook goes away. And all of a sudden becomes like this scientific equation and experiment. I don't cook for those reasons. Do you measure?
The last time I tried to cook dinner for my fiance, we almost were food poisoned. So we're not doing that anymore.
So you don't cook?
No, I get a lot of delivery though. I'm very good at ordering delivery. I always have a short list of places. Like, I got the order. I always make sure to get utensils. Like, I'm so good at ordering delivery.
Amazing. That's amazing.
Yes.
And does your fiance cook though?
No.
Okay, so great.
So we rock, paper, scissors over who gets to pick the restaurant we deliver from that night.
Brian, go over there and cook for them.
Or
I cook.
I cook.
Okay.
It's not good though. Like basic things,
Like, what do you
mac and
make?
cheese, eggs.
That's great.
Yeah,
I
we
grill.
love mac and cheese.
I like steaks, burgers, brats.
Yeah.
Have you ever given anyone food poisoning?
Not that I know of.
Great.
Yeah.
You're already better than me.
Yes.
Already ahead.
Yeah, but I don't really do the whole like fruit or vegetable thing. It's just more of like a red meat and potatoes type of thing.
I mean,
Yeah.
we Michigan people of meat and potatoes, that's what we like.
Yeah.
No need.
Perfect. And fruit snacks. We get
Oh,
we
that's
get our
the
fruit right
snacks.
there. We're good.
The fruit snacks.
Yeah.
I was so shook at the first
That's
item. I was
such a
like,
solid
genius.
choice.
It's so good.
Hi, it's me, Brian Walsh, aka Dr. Money, again to talk about some of the legal stuff. Though I am a certified financial planner professional, your finances are unique. That means anything I talked about today shouldn't be considered advice. Think of it more as high-level education or guidance.
Don't forget to subscribe.